Hi everyone, we are in Hubbard, Texas, and this little town is between Corsicana and Waco. Not a very big town. But let's take a look at it. Here's the first building to look at right here. Not a very old building, but it's cool. There's the vestiges of what used to be a beautiful building. If you look at all that architecture on the top, that brickwork. And here's the Hubbard Volunteer Fire Department next to the City Hall. As you can see, there's just this one strip right here, so it won't be a very long video. There's the historical marker that tells about the town. Founded in 1881. There's another marker. We got their drugstore right here, still in operation. So this town is alive, which is great. We just saw a real estate agency right over there, so they are selling houses over here. And this is a very nice area, so I can see why somebody would want to move here. You got an auction house. And we got our first mural. Yeah, looking good. Mural goes down almost to the length of the building, down that alleyway. Super old building, but it's interesting. One half of it has been painted gray, and the other half is just the bare brick. I'm not sure I'm a fan of painting brick. Well, here we go. We can look inside of this building. This is definitely a fixer-upper. Yeah, that roof is gone. Wow. There's another look. So, but next to it is a restaurant. Huh. Okay. And a nice looking restaurant at that, so not sure what's going on over there. And we have the Hubbard City Civic Center. And the antique shop. That is an open antique shop. it looks like it's under renovation or just storage, so no dice, but it's a nice, interesting building. Got arched windows, and you got the Hubbard United States Post Office, 76648, and they got big old windows. Alright, of course you got the smoke shop and thrift store. Try to get across the street. You know, the good thing about small towns is you can pretty much get away with jaywalking scot-free. So you know, you can be a criminal for a little while crossing the road, not at the designated space. There's another antique store, Magnolia's Antiques. Alright, they are closed today, but today is a Sunday, so it looks like... Oh no, that's a restaurant. They got beer and cheeseburgers. The beer is $3.50. That's a good price for nowadays. And you got Magnolia Treasures right there. Now that's the antique store. Okay. And you got another antique store next to it. Out of Pearls. Not open on Sundays, open on Fridays and Saturdays. And you got the Deerling General Store. Looks like it's either defunct or under construction, but it's a nice redone building. So, and they're building out this side, so maybe this looks like it could be a restaurant. I'm not sure. We'll just have to come back. And you got the Hubbard Barber Company with a drum set out in front. All right. Here you go. Hopefully YouTube doesn't copyright me for that music. It's so good. All right, and then you got the Polo Pizza Italian Ristorante next to the Halloween exhibit. This little thing has a nice derelict, what do you call it, a Volkswagen van. And you've got the Masonic Lodge right here. I'd have been disappointed if they didn't have a Masonic Lodge. All right, that is it. That is Hubbard, Texas. Nice, intact downtown. They got some restaurants and got some guys about to run me over. They've got just about everything you need, so I think y'all should come visit this town when you get a chance. And I'll talk to y'all next time. Bye. Oh wait. Yep. Thought I saw something. Alright. Remember, everybody, you're dearly loved. Take care. Bye-bye.